Welcome to Easy Web Solution. Today's training is about how to restore old photo using AI features. Preserving cherished memories captured in old photographs is a task that holds great sentimental value. However, as time takes its toll, this photo can deteriorate, losing their original clarity, color vibrancy, and overall quality. Fortunately, with the advancement in artificial intelligence, restoring old photos has become more accessible and efficient than ever before. In this guide, we'll explore how you can leverage free AI tools to breathe new life into your treasure image. The first step is to click on the link provided in the description. The link will take you to the designated websites. Once you're on the site interface, proceed to the next step, which is clicking the upload image. Locate your old photo and insert it. Once you have completed this step, your final action is to click the start button. Now all that is left to do is wait patiently while the AI works its magic. So once the image is processed successfully, click the download button. In this field, you have to sign up with your email account before you can download your restored photo. So I will sign up with my Gmail account. So sign up is successful. Now you can see the before and after view of the restored photo. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell.